Hi guys. So I'm here to finish. We did problem 1 of the review, and now I'm here to go over problem 2 of the review. So what I'm going to do is, so this is our self-evaluation. Problem 2 involves a nice little data structure I call list of ints. Okay. Remember this, I wrote all this stuff before you put those angle bracket things on Java. So, but in any case, the idea is there's a Boolean which says if the list is empty, and int, which is the first piece of data in the list, and then there's the rest, and that's the rest of the list if the list is not empty. If the list is empty, this guy is meaningless. Okay, so the first thing, empty, as you see, returns if the list is empty. Then first, if it's empty, it throws an exception, and otherwise it returns the data of the first. And this you don't even need to know for the purpose of this, because we're just focusing on the recursive method, which doesn't involve that. Now, so the idea is, in our list, the Lisa is the name of our list. Okay, so we have in our list, there's Lisa. Let me grab my thing. So what Lisa looks like is, let me grab a pen. Okay, so we have the -2, and then there's Lisa, okay, dot the rest of Lisa, which is, oops, I just lost the pen, there. So 2 dot rest, it doesn't really, sometimes gives me a hard time about drawing on these guys, or EST, and that is, what's the rest of Lisa? Okay, and obviously because I can do that, I lost the pen. Okay, so the rest is 3, and 3 dot rest is 1, and 1 dot rest is -5, and -5 dot rest, oops, come on, there, ignore those lines, is, so -5 dot rest makes it 7 dot rest is 4 dot rest is 7, and on down to, and then dot rest is empty, the last guy, because there's nothing more, so it's empty. So that's our data structure visually. So what happens, okay, so what happens when we do Lisa.recurse? Well, if the rest is empty, we return the first. That's not true. Rest is not empty. So, otherwise, we check if the first is less than 0. It is. So we're going to say -2 plus 2 times the rest. Okay, now that means we're going to recurse on this guy. So that's going to be 3. Okay, so that's going to be 3. Come on, go down, 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 down. Need some more space. There it is. So it's going to be 3, and we're doing this guy now. 3 plus the rest, okay, which will be 1. Okay, that's the first one, plus the rest. Now that's negative 5. It's negative. So we'll say negative 5 plus 2 times the rest. Okay, that's going to be 2 times 7 plus 4 and plus 7. Now the rest of 7 is empty, so we don't do anything. So that's going to be our answer. Okay, so the question is, what is Lisa.recurse? Well, it's going to be minus 2 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 plus minus 5 plus 2 times, oops, we got to put in the multiplication sign so this thing won't understand me. Okay, 7 plus 4 plus 7, which equals, oops, equals, not backspace, 68. So, that's the answer. So that is Lisa.recurse. And if we want to do Lisa.rest.recurse, perfectly valid things to do, because Lisa.rest is also a list of ints. That would just be what's in this parenthesis here. Equals, which is 35. So, that's the answer to the second question on self-evaluation.